Hi, my name is Ian Retallack and I have worked with some of the best lighting manufacturers in the world, and MDC Lighting from Barcelona is no exception. The principle behind the technique that I will share with you on this video is that we all buy things for what it will actually do for us. You know, people don't buy a drill, they buy the hole that it will make for them. They don't care about the drill, they just want a hole in the wall as effectively and quickly as possible. We don't buy home security systems. We buy the peace of mind that it brings us, knowing that we will be safe in our homes. And as a lighting retailer or an interior designer, your goal is to help your customers to solve a problem. They don't want a fancy crystal chandelier with 30% lead crystal content with 24 karat gold arms. They don't care what it is. They want to know what it will do for them, which is to bring them prestige and status and something that will impress their friends. Now, all of this may sound rather simple and obvious, and yet I see so many retailers making this mistake every single day. So let me show you what I mean. So let's consider the humble table lamp. Now, what most retailers would do is they get caught up with what the table lamp actually is. So they may explain to the customers something like, well, let me show you this Onyx table lamp from MDC. It's got 6 watts, it's LED, it gives off 800 lumens, it has 3000 kelvins, and it's finished in a matte nickel. Well, that's not really helping your customer very much. It's not helping them to know what it will do for them. Now, after a few questions and a little bit of homework, what if you said something like this? You know, poor lighting can create tension, stress, and a depressing atmosphere. Now, these problems can be overcome if you avoid flat and excessively bright lighting around the workplace. Extreme changes in lighting, such as from light to dark, especially when you're viewing a computer screen, can cause eye strain, which weakens your eyes over time, and strong lights directly above or behind where you sit can actually create screen glare. So the easiest way to improve lighting at a computer, or particularly a dark place, is to place ambient lighting behind the monitor. A regular desk lamp like this one from MDC, the Onyx range, is perfect for this particular problem. So by placing a soft light behind the monitor, you create a gradual shift between the brightness of the monitor and the light in the rest of the room. This reduces eye strain and avoids tension, stress, and headaches. How much more effective would your sales and marketing be if you took the focus of what your product is and concentrate on what it will actually do for your customer? A far more effective way of selling your products. Now, if you happen to be a lighting retailer or an interior designer and you're interested in becoming a stockist for MDC, please get in touch by contacting me through my website, ianretallack.com, or send me a message via the link somewhere around this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.